are so stretched, so thin. If you can help, do it. You know,
Absolutely.
That was awesome.
And probably hundreds, thousands of people waiting just in their cars.
Yeah.
Probably thank you too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think you're going to see more cool stories like that of neighbors helping neighbors, and it just seems like trying times, but you know, the good in people is going to come out and shine through there, hopefully. So, yeah, we've been talking about Irma for how many days now? I mean,
It's been a
just
while.
a monster of a storm, and it just seems like it's been a very tough month between that and then talking about Hurricane
know.
Harvey and the devastation left behind in Texas, and it's hard to just kind of imagine, what that entire southern coast looks like down there. So the satellite photos have been pretty incredible. Posting some on Facebook if you want to see those. But now we're talking about this storm. The leftovers just continuing to churn up to the north and slowly to the west. And here's what we're looking at this morning. So we've got heavy bands of rain moving through parts of the Carolinas near the coastline there south of Raleigh. And then this is being felt all the way up as far north as Cincinnati. So that's kind of extreme. You can kind of see just the circular formation left over from this system, sending some heavy rain all the way from Jackson, Mississippi, up north to Cincinnati and out into the Atlantic Ocean. So still a wide range of states feeling the impacts this morning. Obviously, most of the severe stuff said and done, and things quieting down in Florida as people kind of slowly start to be let back in to pick up the pieces. So around here, much quieter. It's been that way. No major rain to speak of in our forecast. However, we do have a game changer on the way. But for now, actually dealing with the southwesterly flow, our air coming in from the south, and you can kind of see just a couple pools of moisture out there with some showers in northwestern Nevada and northern California. This is what could potentially send some showers our way late this afternoon into the evening, possibly even the overnight hours tonight. But you can see some of the shower activity starting to ramp up slowly along the Idaho-Nevada border and the Oregon-Nevada border down to the south of us. I think most of it will stay parked down there for now, but we're going to notice the increased cloud cover, and we could see a stray shower on and off throughout the day today. We won't rule out a thunderstorm either. So there is instability out there. The atmosphere is feeling a little unstable and should stay that way, I think, as we head through the remainder of the work week for the most part. We do stay hot today. We're not going to deny that. Our temps are still soaring into the 90s. Stray storms on the menu for us potentially this afternoon, lasting really all the way through Thursday, if not early Friday. Then temperatures take a plunge. That's going to be the biggest thing you notice in the forecast this week, is that it's going to be really hot and then backing off quite a bit. A comfortable weekend ahead, though. At the end of it all, we're going to go through some major changes, but it should balance out for a nice weekend if you've got plans to be out and about. Through this morning, again, looking pretty good so far. We're going to watch for shower coverage to increase in southeast Oregon, but I think we're just going to see a nice mixture of sun and clouds through most of the day. A mainly dry day today, but won't rule out that stray thunderstorm, I would say, getting into the later hours of the afternoon and into the evening. Latest Futurecast runs, though, show actually more of the activity slowing down a little bit and passing through later in the overnight hours, early morning tomorrow. So if you wake up, hear a rumble of thunder, don't totally be surprised by that either. We're just going to watch for these hit or miss showers or storms here over the next 24, 48 to 36 hours. So very hit or miss. Most of the action probably targeting our mountains, but could get some gusty winds and heavy pockets of rain mixed in with some lightning around here too. This is our jet stream forecast. I'd like to show this because I think the colors help make a lot of sense with what's happening. We've got an area of low pressure here, this little dip that you see in the jet stream. This is what drives our winds. This is going to come down into the Pacific Northwest over the next couple of days. So you see this cold front out front of it. That's going to be the major driver or changer of our forecast and the weather that comes with it. So as we fast forward into Wednesday, tomorrow, eastern Oregon going to start to feel the impact. It's going to cool off, and then this thing really digs down into the Pacific Northwest by Thursday. That cold front passes through for us Thursday morning, increases the chance for some showers and storms, and leaves behind significantly cooler temperatures. So to kind of put this in perspective, today our high of 90, good mix of sun and clouds, but staying hot, still going to feel a lot like summer out there. Our average for this time of the year, 80 degrees, and most of us are going to be pushing up into the upper 80s to low 90s, low 80s, even in the mountains today. So yep, still feels like summer. Check this out. Tonight's low, 64. Some spots will drop into the upper 50s as per usual, but a high of 90 and a low of 64 is very representative of, I would say, August. Friday's high temperature, 65. So just a degree warmer than our low tonight. That's where we're going to end up on Friday by the time this is all said and done. So there are some major changes on the way. We're going to give you the taste of two seasons this week. Again, feeling more like mid-late August at this point in the week. And then by Friday, we're going to be feeling more like mid-October. I think our best chance for some unsettled weather comes Thursday, hopefully drying out in time for that Boise State game. We're going to keep an eye on the timing. That front looks to move through in the morning, but I do think we have the potential to see some winds on Thursday and Friday too, and, well, cooler temperatures. But